Did you know that 34% of Americans have a credit score below 670, considered to be subprime by many lenders? And yet, everyone dreams of owning a home. Welcome to the world of credit scores and real estate loans, a world where dreams of homeownership can be made or broken by three little digits. A world where your financial past doesn't just influence your present, it dictates your future. But what if I told you there's a way to change that? What if I told you that despite the hurdles and pitfalls, you can take control of your financial destiny? Welcome to the world of credit repair. Your credit score, that elusive number that lenders use to determine your creditworthiness, is the key to unlocking your dreams of homeownership. It's the gatekeeper, the judge, and the jury. But what does it mean to have a low credit score? Well, a low credit score can limit your options when it comes to securing a real estate loan. It can mean higher interest rates, stricter loan terms, and in some cases, it can mean outright rejection. Now I know what you're thinking. It sounds like a bleak picture. But here's the thing. You're not stuck with your credit score. You can improve it, you can repair it. Credit repair is the process of identifying and addressing the negative items on your credit report that are dragging your score down. It's about taking proactive steps to improve your financial standing and by extension your life. By improving your credit score, you're not just improving your chances of securing a real estate loan. You're opening up a world of possibilities. Lower interest rates, more favorable loan terms, the ability to negotiate, the power to choose, the freedom to dream. But don't worry. If you're part of that 34%, there's hope. Improving your credit score may be easier than you think. Meet John and Sarah. They both had credit scores below 670, but today, they are proud homeowners. How did they do it? They started their credit repair journey. Let's delve into their stories. John, a hardworking mechanic, was always diligent about his bills, but a few years back, he had a medical emergency that resulted in significant debt. His credit score plummeted and he found himself in the realm of bad credit. Sarah, on the other hand, was a recent college graduate burdened with student loans and a credit card debt that spiraled out of control. Both John and Sarah dreamt of owning a home, but their credit scores were standing in their way. John and Sarah's stories are not uncommon. However, they didn't let their bad credit scores define their future. They decided to take control and embarked on a credit repair journey. John started by tackling his medical debt. He set up a payment plan and slowly but surely began to chip away at it. He also took a proactive approach to ensure all his other bills were paid on time, every time. His dedication and consistency slowly started to reflect positively on his credit score. Sarah, on the other hand, started by focusing on her credit card debt. She consolidated her loans and negotiated lower interest rates. She also created a strict budget to ensure she lived within her means. She made it a point to pay more than the minimum due on her credit cards each month, effectively reducing her overall debt, but they didn't stop there. John and Sarah also understood the importance of disputing inaccuracies on their credit reports. They regularly checked their credit reports and promptly disputed any errors they found. One crucial step that both John and Sarah took was to establish a good credit history. They did this by maintaining a low credit utilization ratio and applying for new credit sparingly. This approach allowed them to build a strong credit profile over time, improving their creditworthiness to potential lenders. Throughout their journey, John and Sarah learned that repairing credit is not an overnight process. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to financial responsibility. But they also learned that it's entirely possible to turn a bad credit score around. Today, John and Sarah are proud homeowners. Their stories serve as an inspiration to anyone struggling with bad credit. They are proof that with consistent efforts and the right strategies, you can improve your credit score and realize your dream of homeownership. Their journey from bad credit to homeownership is a testament to the power of credit repair. They are a reminder that a bad credit score is not a life sentence, but a situation that can be improved with the right steps and a determined mindset. Like John and Sarah, you too can turn your credit score around. So, how does one go about repairing their credit? It may seem daunting, but with the right plan and discipline, it's entirely possible. The first step towards credit repair is getting a clear understanding of your credit situation. This starts with reviewing your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Look for any errors or discrepancies, as these can significantly impact your credit score. Next, it's time to dispute those errors. If you find inaccuracies in your report, don't hesitate to challenge them. You can do this by writing a letter to the credit bureau, detailing the error, and asking for it to be corrected. Remember to provide evidence supporting your claim. The bureau has 30 days to investigate and respond. Simultaneously, consider negotiating with your lenders. If you've got late payments or defaults, reach out to your creditors. Ask if they'd be willing to change the negative report in exchange for a payment plan or a settled amount. It may be a long shot, but it's worth a try. Once you've disputed errors and negotiated with lenders, you can focus on establishing good credit habits. This includes paying bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and not applying for new credit impulsively. Consistency is key here. Even small, steady improvements can make a big difference over time. Now, it's crucial to understand that credit repair isn't an overnight process. It requires patience and persistence. It's a bit like gardening. You plant the seeds, water them regularly, and wait for them to grow. It might take a while, but eventually you'll see the flowers bloom. In the world of credit repair, those flowers are the doors that open when your credit score improves. Be it lower interest rates, better loan terms, or that dream house you've always wanted, good credit can make it all possible. Remember, credit repair isn't a quick fix, it's a journey. But every step you take brings you closer to your dream of homeownership. Now that you understand the importance of credit repair and how to go about it, why wait? Start your journey today. Embarking on the path to credit repair is a bold step, but a necessary one if you aspire to become a homeowner. It may seem daunting, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. And in this case, that step is gaining a thorough understanding of your credit situation. There are a multitude of free online resources that can provide you with a detailed copy of your credit report. Websites such as annualcreditreport.com offer free credit reports, enabling you to see exactly where your credit stands. Once you have your credit report in hand, it's time to scrutinize it. Look for any discrepancies or inaccuracies that could be dragging your score down. If you come across any, don't hesitate to dispute them. You have the right to an accurate credit report, and correcting these errors can give your score a significant boost. Understanding your credit report is one thing, but knowing how to improve it is another task. This is where DMS-INC free credit repair services come into play. We offer free credit repair on how to repair and maintain good credit. DMS-INC can provide you with personalized strategies and action plans to get your credit back on track. Let's not forget about the importance of budgeting. A well-planned budget is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances, reduce your debt, and, in turn, improve your credit score. There are numerous budgeting tools and apps available that can assist you in creating and sticking to a budget. Remember, credit repair is not an overnight process. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency, but the rewards are worth the effort. A higher credit score not only increases your chances of securing a home loan, but also can result in lower interest rates, saving you thousands in the long run. Don't let a low credit score stand between you and your dream home. Start your credit repair journey today and open the door to new possibilities. Your credit score doesn't have to dictate your life, you have the power to change it. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered. We've unmasked the shocking truth about credit scores and real estate loans, showing that a low credit score doesn't mean homeownership is out of reach. With the right information and tools, you can transition from bad credit to homeowner, and we've given you a closer look at how to do just that. Remember, it's not just about removing negative items from your credit report, but also about increasing your score and maintaining good credit habits. The power is yours to start your credit repair journey today. The benefits are clear. A better credit score can pave the way for more favorable loan terms and help you secure your dream home. Remember, it's not about where you start, but where you're going. Start your credit repair journey today with DMSync free credit repair and take the first step towards your dream home.